wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again! Kids, we're back and doing science! Science! Science!
Science! Science! You stopped.
Every time, kids, every time. She keeps on going and going and going and going and going.
But it's so fun. Why wouldn't you want to just scream science basically all day long? Yeah.
No.
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 Only because you get tired at a certain point. Like otherwise, you could just scream science, 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 science.
Kids, do you want to know what we're going to be doing today?
Vince.
There we go. Now you can hear me.
Oh, were you talking?
Yeah, I was
Sorry.
talking. And the kids are waiting for us
Oh,
to start the experiment.
okay.
This is actually your experiment. We're
Yeah.
doing something that you really, really wanted to do, so kids can also follow a certain aspect of this lesson for all of our crafts projects.
Yeah.
It'll make our crafts projects a little bit easier, right?
That's why I was so excited about it.
Yeah. So why don't you tell us?
Okay, kids. So today we're going to learn about the color wheel through chromatography.
There are a lot of colors up there on our solar planet, and if you can see, I have a lot of markers right here.
Yep.
That are all different types of colors. Well, it looks right now. It looks like it's all black. Hold on. Now you can see.
There you go. All different colors.
So what are we doing with all of these markers?
We're going to learn chromatography.
Chromatography?
Yeah, it's a big word. But
It is.
Basically just means the colors that combine to make one color.
Huh.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So what we're going to do is we're going to take, or I should tell you what we need first, huh?
Yeah. So the kids can get all of these things here.
Yeah. So what we need is some markers of different colors. You can use any colors you want. We picked a bunch.
Yep.
And then we're going to need some paper towels right there. Yep, some paper towels. And we're using white so it's easier to see.
Yep.
And then we're going to need a petri dish or a bowl with some water in it. Anything that can hold just a little bit of water.
I got my smart water here.
Awesome. Yep, and some water. So smart water.
Smart water for the
water
smart
for
kids
the
that
smart
you
kids.
are. And the
Yep.
smart science we teach.
Yep. And then I think we can show them in the next clip how to put it all together.
So,
Right?
kids, how about you get these items, which most of them you should all have at your home. If not, if you need those colors, just go out in the store and ask mom and dad to buy you some. Get them, and then you can follow our experiment. We'll be right back and set everything up for you, okay?
Yay! Science! And colors of science! Science!
Science.
The colors of science.
The colors of science.
Colors!
Wow.
Science!
Let's
Wow.
go.
Yes, let's go. Let's start. All right, kids. So what I have here is I have my bowl, and then I have 8 strips of paper towel, and I have 8 markers. And the best markers to use are washable markers, so like Crayola, but anyone will work just so long as it's not a permanent marker. So don't use mom and dad's markers. And then I've got my water, so I'm going to pour just a little bit of water in the bottom of the bowl. Maybe a little bit more. You don't need too much. And then I'm going to draw a line on each paper towel. And I'm going to draw it near the bottom, just straight across, but not all the way at the bottom. Oh, I'm going to pick it up like this so I don't make a mess. I have my gloves on. And this one is black. going to do an orange, orange, and I'm doing all different kinds of colors so we can see how the markers work. It's crazy. Did you know that markers are made up of dye, which gives them the color, and that each color is made of different colors that are combined, like we talked about in our color wheel. Okay.
Okay. I get it. Can we start the experiment now?
Yeah, so I gave you 4 pieces of paper.
Yeah, can I start? I don't.
Yeah, do you know how to do it?
Oh, no, I don't.
Okay, so put the little end into the water, but don't let the water get to the marker, and then just hold it straight up in the air. You hold it vertical. So I'm going to do red.
Just like this?
Yeah, and then you just, ooh. Yeah, so.
Oh, you got it!
Yay!
Yay!
And you just hold it like this, and you hold it up and see how the colors are traveling up
Oh,
and
you're
up.
doing it right.
I practiced already. You can see it's moving up. And the red goes up and up and up and up and up and up and up. And you know what's interesting about red?
What?
See how the whole paper's red?
Yeah.
That's because red is the only color in red.
Oh, because it's a primary color.
Yeah, because it's a primary color. Ooh, and look at yours,
Oh, look at mine.
Noah.
I use
Yeah.
black.
Yeah, and look, it's already got some blue showing.
And I see a little bit of green too.
Ooh, that's neat. I'm going to try... Ooh, I'm going to do your favorite color now. I did my favorite color, and I'm going to do your favorite color.
Oh, I'm pretty sure blue is going to be blue.
I think blue's going to be blue too.
Because it's a primary color, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I learned something from you today.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to get sometimes, huh?
You got it.
Oh, good. Thank you. Oh, yeah, yours is really colorful, huh?
Right?
Yeah, and the longer you hold it there, the more colors we should probably see in yours.
But I want to do the next color. Can I do the next color?
Yeah, you can do the next color.
What if I just put this here?
Yeah, and look, my blue one's here. I'm gonna take the blue one out because it's only blue. We'll leave the ones back there that are more colors than one.
I'm going to take orange.
Okay, and I'm gonna take brown. Wait. Yeah, brown.
So orange should show up as a different color, right?
Should. Unless they used some crazy science to make that marker. And brown should be different colors too.
Oh, I see yellow.
Yeah, do you see yellow in your orange?
Yeah, I see yellow
Yeah,
in
and there's
it.
yellow in my brown too. It takes a while, huh?
It does.
Yeah.
So then put this
I'm
in.
gonna put this one right here. That one might not work that good.
Okay.
So kids, try to keep your paper above the water.
Okay, can I do the next one?
Yeah, please do the next
I'm
one.
going to do yellow.
Okay, and I'm going to do green. Ooh.
So yellow stays yellow.
Yep, because yellow is a primary color.
Oh, this is boring. I want a different one.
Yeah. Try purple. Purple should be good.
Purple should have blue and red.
Yeah. And my green should have what colors?
Blue and yellow.
Yep, see? So I told you, you should like green because it's got blue in it. Just like
Oh, but I
should
don't like it.
But you said I should like purple because it has red in it. So you should like green. Or,
Yeah, but you like all the colors.
but you didn't know that until I told you. I'm going to put that one down. Oh, I'm going to put that one over here. Ooh.
Purple's just purple.
Yeah.
They cheated on this color.
Yeah, I think what they did is they made our markers so good in the science lab that it's not as easy to see. But maybe if we wait a little bit longer, it'll be easier to see.
Okay.
Okay.
Should I check in on the black one?
Yeah, let's check in on the black one. Ooh, you can see the blue. Oh, oops, the orange went in the water too.
Oh. But
That's
this
all right.
really, you see that it's,
Yeah.
even though it's black, it's green and a little bit of blue.
Yeah.
I see really a tiny spot of red in there too.
Yeah, and there's probably a tiny bit of yellow.
Yeah.
Because really there's every color in the black one, huh?
Wow.
Yeah, it takes a while. And the The longer you hold the paper in the water and just hold it up straight.
Like this.
Yep, the longer you hold it like that, up straight in the air, the more colors you'll see. It just takes a minute.
Cool.
Yep. So should we?
Well, that was really fun. I enjoyed this. And I feel like now that I understand the science of color mixing,
Yeah,
I feel like now I can be a better artist.
I think so too. Now maybe you'll enjoy craft time more.
I think I will.
Good, because craft time is really fun, I think.
Yeah,
Just like science is fun.
it is.
Science!
Did you learn a lot?
Yeah, I did. Did you learn a lot?
Yeah, I did.
Good.
We
Look
had
at
a
our
lot of
water
fun.
too. Our water's kind of orange because the brown had orange and yellow in it, and I dropped the brown in the water.
Wow.
Yep. All right.
Well, kids, I hope you enjoyed that and you can do this experiment
Yeah.
at home. Do let us know how it worked out.
Please do. Yeah.
And
show us
we would
colors.
love to see any pictures that you have that you
Yeah.
want to send to us,
And
right?
you could draw pictures of the color wheel and how it works. That'd be great.
Exactly.
Very cool.
So, thanks for watching Dream Again, and
Thanks.
see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!